When planning a window installation project for your home in Manassas, it's crucial to be prepared. Not only does it ensure the process goes smoothly, but it also minimizes disruptions to your daily life. Window replacement is an investment that boosts your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall value. To ensure a successful installation, here are a few tips on how to prepare your home properly. Choose the right time for installation. Manassas experiences all 4 seasons, so it's important to consider the timing of your window installation. The ideal time for window replacement is typically during the fall or spring when the weather is mild. During these seasons, you can avoid extreme temperatures, which could cause discomfort for you and the installation team. Scheduling your project during less busy months also allows for better availability of contractors and materials. Clear the area around the window before the installation begins. Clear any furniture, decor, or valuable items from the vicinity of the windows being replaced. This helps prevent any damage to your belongings and gives the installation team easy access to the areas they need to work on. If the window faces a garden or outdoor space, trimming bushes and removing plants that are too close to the windows will give the installers the room they need. If your windows are located in hard-to-reach areas, such as second stories or behind outdoor features, consider moving any obstructions that may hinder the installer's ability to reach the windows safely. This will also reduce the chance of debris falling onto your lawn or other areas. Secure your home. Installation teams will need to access your home, so it's a good idea to secure your space before they arrive. Lock any gates and secure pets inside the house or in a safe, designated area. Pets can be curious and may inadvertently get in the way of the work. Likewise, if you have small children, it's a good idea to keep them in another room or area of the house to ensure their safety and allow the installation process to proceed smoothly. Additionally, you may want to consider putting away any fragile or delicate items, especially near areas where the window frames and glass will be handled. Though professionals take care to avoid accidents, it's better to be cautious. Prepare for dust and debris. Window installation can be a messy process, with dust and debris from the old frames, glass, and caulking. To minimize cleanup time and protect your belongings, consider covering the floors and furniture with drop cloths or plastic sheets. You can also cover wall hangings and other fixtures near the windows. Once the installation is complete, the team will likely clean up the area, but doing some basic preparation ahead of time can save you time and effort. Afterward, a thorough cleaning will ensure your home is back to normal. Plan for temporary changes in temperature. During the window replacement process, your home may experience temporary drafts as old windows are removed and new ones are installed. Depending on the number of windows being replaced, the duration of the process, and the outside weather, it's essential to be prepared for temperature fluctuations. If the weather is cold, turn up your thermostat to maintain comfort inside the home. During hot summer months, consider closing off rooms that aren't being worked on to keep the cooler air in the rest of the house. It's a good idea to have blankets or space heaters on hand, just in case. Ensure clear communication with your installer. Finally, clear communication with your window installation team is crucial to a successful project. Confirm the project details, such as the installation date, the number of windows to be replaced, and any additional work that might be required, such as framing or siding work. Ask questions about what to expect, including any preparations needed on your part. Also, make sure you have easy access to the installers to address any concerns or issues that arise during the process. Discuss your preferred times for installation, and make sure everyone is on the same page about access points and timing. After the installation, once the installation is complete, take the time to inspect the new windows. Ensure that they open and close smoothly, check for any drafts, and ensure the seals are intact. If there are any issues, don't hesitate to contact the installation company for corrections. Preparing your home for a window installation project in Manassas doesn't have to be stressful. By following these steps, you'll ensure that the project runs smoothly and that you can enjoy your new, energy-efficient windows without hassle.